All right. Today is the first. Is that your foot? Okay, so today is the first really nice day of 2023 here in Western Washington where we live. And so of course we're gonna take full advantage of the day and go hang out at the beach.
Yeah!
One of Mommy's favorite beaches from me growing up. It's one of the few sandy beaches. So we have to make a little bit of a journey, but we will get there and have lots and lots of fun.
Yeah, got to the beach today. So we're at Nana's house and we want to Nana to come to us. Love us.
Nana does love us.
And then we have our sandals and we have our non-sandals. So we don't get our sandals and our scenery.
Yes. So we are here to pick up Nana. Nana's gonna join us and we're gonna go have fun at the beach.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got the girls some cute sandals for the beach. So we're gonna take these ones off that are like almost too small for Zara's foot. So these ones are a little big for Zara, but she's gonna wear them anyway. Here you go, Bug. Well, we got Nana. Nana's coming with us. All the beach toys. Nana's got good scissors to open the stuff up. So clearly Target Sun Squad is like our favorite for summer stuff because both of these came from Target. Nana's bag came from Target. The girls' sun toys, water toys came from Target. We love Target Sun Squad. Think we brought enough stuff to the beach?
No, I think there's a few things we could use.
Look at how Zara has all these buckets. Ava's bucket. Mom bought us an annual pass. Oh, look at the creek. Nana's got fancy chairs.
And they will sit or they'll lay down,
Oh, snap.
but you can sit it up. And then
There's a
there's
crow.
a pillow.
You opening that one?
There we go.
That's not open. Thanks, Nana.
What is the picnic like? This is a line.
Oh, yeah. Look, what are you doing?
I'm making a sandcastle.
You making a sandcastle for you? Okay.
Yeah, well, what's it?
It's just a log. Oh, thank God that's all it was. Nana's getting the girls right with some sunscreen.
Arms out, close your eyes. Lift your chin. Okay, turn around.
Nana, which one would you like?
That one looks good.
Okay, I need to go fill it up.
Are you making ice cream for Nana?
Yeah.
Oh, a sand ice cream cone.
Sand cream. Yeah.
Sand cream cone.
Whatever you want.
Purple.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
You guys are supposed to say thanks.
Jinx.
Jinx.
Eat it.
Okay, can you take the top off so I can see what it looks like inside? Oh, let me see. Oh, and I think there's even like some crunchies, like rocks for sprinkles or something.
Sprinkle.
Oh, sprinkle.
Wiggle. Look what Nana has in
Nana's
Cherry.
got a shell cherry on top.
Anna's
You guys, you got to get a lot more than that. You guys, what are you guys trying to do with the sand?
we add the damp sand because if you just use the dry sand, it's not going to hold together. The wet sand is what it makes it stay together.
Oh, so you're trying to fill your whole bucket with sand to be able to make a sand castle?
Yeah, I mean, there's plenty.
Yeah, I would say so.
Not a little tiny boat.
I think there's something under there. That's why it's bubbling like that. See that hole?
Yeah.
I think that something lives in. If you dig fast enough, you might find a clam.
What's
But
that?
see, now the water stopped bubbling. I think it went too deep. You have to like scoop in there like really deep. You might have been too slow. I think you missed it. You see it? Are you sure that's it? That might be a rock.
I saw something bubbling. Yeah.
You gotta go fast.
Yeah, I'm trying. Go get me a smaller shovel.
I don't think that's the problem.
I am.
You're going to get another shovel? Hi, Bug. Ava, you look like a dog. What are you doing? What are you trying to do? Okay, you're frantically digging, but you're not like getting anywhere. Well, it's not a live one. I feel it probably was. It was a clam, but now it's empty.
Mine isn't almost filled up.
Go, girl. You can get more too. There's some right next to you. Scoop. Scoop, Z. Don't throw it though. Don't throw it. That's how you get it in each other's eyes. Scoop, Bug. Oh, big scoops. So apparently somebody else made a sandcastle over here and it just like either fell apart or they got bored and moved on because the girls found a big huge pile of sand to fill their buckets with. And when Ava's finished with hers, she will help you with yours if you have a good attitude and you ask nice.
Mine is heavy.
Yours is heavy, so where is it? Ava's carrying your bucket? You're not helping? No?
I can't even carry it.
You can't carry it because it's too heavy for you? Look, and she's adding more sand to it.
Because I'm hungry.
Because you're hungry?
Want some strawberries?
Look at Ava's struggling.
You got it, eh?
Use your muscles!
Give up? Never give up.
I will never say never. You got it, girl. You're strong.
I don't want sand on me.
Come on, Ave. Just a little bit more.
How about you go off the bridge?
I'm never doing that again.
But you did it.
All right, what are you doing?
I don't want sand on my feet.
You don't want sand on your feet at the beach, girl?
No.
Okay. She's in for a rude awakening. She doesn't want sand on her at the beach. So, Ava, why don't you help Zara?
Let's add a little bit of dry sand in there. Add a little bit of dry sand.
Are you guys going to try to dump it? Oh!
Now you.
Let's see. Ow!
Okay, ready? Go. There we go.
How does...
There's still.
Girl! Got some water? Oh. Where's Dee? Here she comes. She's got a tiny little scoop of water. Watch your step. Don't spill! Oh, you're spilling. Okay, scoop some. Okay, that's good. Okay, now walk slow and walk through the flat ground right here, okay? Careful. Don't shake it too much. Don't shake it. Oh, you're trying to protect it? How much water do you have left? Where are you going to pour it? All right. What's going on, girl? Uh-huh.
I want to rinse my feet.
You want to rinse your feet?
No.
Yeah.
No, one with me too.
You dry them too? Okay. Do you have grapes? You having a beach snack?
Yeah.
Yeah. No. What is happening? Ava, what are you... You're peeing?
No, the water.
Daddy made an appearance at the beach.
I did. Tell everybody, tell all my fans hello. Thank y'all for joining us. Wish y'all were here. I have no idea. I'm just talking.
Fans?
Always my feet.
Why?
Because my feet are sandy.
Your feet are sandy? Why don't you go down to the water?
Mommy, come on.
Oh, this water's cold. What is that? What is it?
Where's seaweed?
It's seaweed? All the seaweed.
Ooh, it's warm.
Okay. What are you doing?
I built that.
You built it?
Everybody help.
Whoa! Tell me, what is this though?
A boat and a ship.
It's a ship? Such pretty shells. Hey! No, no, no! Don't make me slip on the slippery stuff. What are you guys trying to do?
We're doing a race and now we're washing our dirty hands off. We
Ew!
touched seaweed, we touched jellyfishes, we touched seaweed, we touched...
You said seaweed already.
Oh, whatever.
Ava decided to practice her back walkovers on the beach.
Whoa. Okay. I think I can.
She was doing pretty good too, until... What happened? Wipe your mouth on the towel. Go wipe your mouth on the towel.
I found a jellyfish.
You found a jellyfish?
I found a jellyfish too. I know, she's right.
Oh.
They're alive. They're alive, Mom.
That's a jellyfish?
Is that alive?
I don't know if that's a jellyfish. Okay, we gotta get all the toys rinsed so we can get going. Zara, are you rinsing out all the buckets and all of the beach toys?
Why am I cold?
You're cold, so what does that mean? You're done? Okay, get all the sand off, A.
2 more things.
Well, I see these buckets got lots of sand. Ready to go?
Yeah. Bye.
Right.
Let's go on bear hunt.
Let's go where?
Let's go on bear hunt.
A bear hunt?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay, girls, did you have fun at the beach?
Yeah.
There was everybody in Washington at the beach today. But that's what happens when it's sunny in Washington. Oh, we got a little bit of bumps and bruises, but the sun and the beach makes it all better, right?
Yeah.
Okay.